Hello, dear children. Today, we will be discussing the model paper for your formative assessment 1. So, let us begin with the questions. Question 1. A sentence which expresses some strong feeling are called. So, in this question, we have been given a definition of a kind of sentence in which we express very strong feelings. So the options are assertive, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. The answer is exclamatory. Question 2. A sentence which asks question are called. So in this question, we have to find a type of sentence with the help of which we can ask questions. So the options are assertive, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. The answer is interrogative. Question 3. Antonym of careful. In this question, we have been asked to find out a word that is opposite in meaning to the word careful. Options are far, fast, careless, loving. The answer is careless. Question 4. I make statement. Who am I? In this question, we have been asked to find such a sentence which are used to make statements. The options are assertive, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. The answer is assertive. Question 5. The part of the sentence which tells us what the sentence is about is called. So in this question, we have been asked to find such a part in the sentence on which the entire sentence is based on. The options are predicate, subject, assertive, imperative. The answer is subject. Question 6. Select the common noun. So from the given options, we have to find such a word which is referring to a same kind of thing. So the options are Taj Mahal, city, Hyderabad, January. So the answer is city. Question 7. The part of the sentence which tells us something about the subject is called. So in this question, we have been asked to find such a part of the sentence which gives us some brief explanation about the subject. And hence you must have predicted the answer. Options are predicate, interrogative, declarative, assertive. The answer is predicate. Naming words are called dash. So in this sentence or question, you will have to fill the blank by telling what are naming words. Hope you must have guessed the answer. Options are pronoun, adverb, noun, verb. The answer is noun. Question 9. And dash expresses a sudden feeling. So, you have to tell such part of a grammar in which we express sudden feeling. Options are noun, pronoun, interjection, or preposition. The answer is interjection. Question 10. Write the quality of an angry boss. So in this question, we have been asked to find out what is the quality or what is the peculiar habit of an angry boss. Mostly, what will an angry boss do? Yes, he would express his anger. And hence the answer is anger for the options angry, furious, hunger, or anger. Question 11. A noun which we can feel but never touch or see it. So in this, we have been asked to find such a noun which we can feel but we can never touch. We can never see it. And hence, you must have guessed the answer. Options are common noun, abstract noun, proper noun, or imperative. The answer is abstract noun. Question 12. Opposite of sorrow. In this question, we have been asked to find out the word which is opposite in meaning to the word sorrow. The options are courage, happiness, wisdom, ugly. The answer is happiness. Question 13. What is the queen called in Manipur? In this question, we have been asked to answer for the question that what a queen is said or called by the people in Manipur. And hence the answer is Laima from the options Laima, Ningtao, Miyam or Tungi. Question 14. Which word means to carry something? So in this, we have been given a meaning of a word and we have to find the word. So the options are mounted, spare, straight, held. The answer is held. Question 15. What is the meaning of uprooted? So in this, you have to find a meaning or a correct meaning of the word uprooted. The options are victoriously, climbed, pulled out of the ground, very large. So the answer is pulled out of the ground. Question 16. What is the meaning of stared? So in this, you are asked to find out the meaning of the word stared. So the options are looked at something, made a hole, pulled out of the ground, or a very skilled person. So the answer is looked at something. Question 17. Antonyms of skinny. So in this, an antonym is a word which is opposite in meaning to the given word. So you have to find the opposite or antonym of skinny. So the options are small, chubby, fat, bright. The answer is chubby. Question 18. Dash was selected as the future king. So this question is from the lesson Who Will Be Ningtao, and you have to find who was the future king at the end as decided by the Ningtao. You must have guessed the answer. So the answer is Sanatombi from the options Sanajoba, Sanatomba and Sanaima. Question 19. What is the meaning of certainly? So in this question, we have been asked to find a meaning of certainly. So the options are without doubt, chubby, to move with a very great speed, without or with doubt. So the answer is without doubt. Question 20. The tortoise walked slowly. Find the adverb in the given sentence. So we have been given a sentence in this question, that is, the tortoise walked slowly, and we have been asked to find the adverb. Remember the definition of adverb: any word that ends with ly. For an easy explanation is known as an adverb. So here you must have guessed the answer. Options are slowly, walked, tortoise, the. Hence, the answer is slowly. Question 21. Suhana is a sweet girl. Find the noun in the given sentence. So the options are Suhana, sweet, girl, is. You have to find the noun, which is a naming word, and hence the answer is Suhana. Question 22. What is the meaning of disheveled? So this question is from the lesson Topper. You will have to study the meanings very well in order to answer this question. So the options are untidy, strange, without doubt, came together. The answer is untidy. Question 23. Rahul goes to school by. So you have to fill in the blank for this question. The options are car, school bus, bicycle or auto. The answer is school bus. Question 24. What flows upon the earth? This question is from the poem The Wonderful Earth. I'm sure you must have guessed the answer. So the options are rivers, air, grass, cliff. The answer is rivers. Question 25. A dash of bees. In this question, you have to fill such a collective noun which suits the sentence. Options are swarm, swam, bundle, bunch. The answer is swarm. Question 26. Do you have dash sweets? So, in this question also, we have been asked to fill in the blank. Options are much, some, many, more. Answer is some. Question 27. Antonym of shallow is, there is a word given to us as shallow and we have to find antonym, which is the opposite word. So the options are deep, upwards, fat, easy. The answer is deep. Question 28. What is the meaning of rest? So in this question, we have to find such a word which means rest. So the options are excited, dressed, nervous, very good. The answer is dressed. A dash of keys. So in this question also, you will have to fill the blank with a collective noun. Options are constellation, bunch, bundle, group. The answer is bunch. And hence the sentence is a bunch of keys. Question 30. How dash time do you need to complete this task? In this question, we have been asked to fill the blank again. Options are much, many, more, some. The answer is much. So the sentence formed is, how much time do you need to complete this task? Question 31. There are dash birds on the tree. So here also you have to fill in the blank. Options are enough, some, not few, not enough. The answer is some. So the sentence formed would be, there are some birds on the tree. Question 32. What is the plural form of navy? In this question, we have been asked the plural form of navy. So the options are navies, navy, navi, navies. So the answer is navies. Question 33. Which word can replace comment? So here you have to find a word which can take the place. Replace means take the place of the word comment. So the options are announcement, statement, remark, questions. The answer is remark. Question 34. What is the plural form of radio? In this question, you will have to find the plural form, means more than one form of radio. Options are radio, radios, radio, radii. The answer is radios. Question 35. An assertive sentence is also called. In this question, you will have to find the other name for assertive sentence. I hope you all must have guessed the answer by now. Options are imperative, declarative, assertive, exclamatory. The answer is declarative. Question 36. Which was the first exam for the students in the lesson topper? So you have to remember the story very well in order to answer this question. So the options are English, science, maths, social. The answer is science. Question 37. Plural form of tomato. In this question also you have been asked to find out the plural form, that is more than one form of tomato. Options are tomato, tomatoes, tomatoes, or none of these. The answer is tomatoes, that ends with es. Question 38. Antonym of doubtful. In this question, we have been asked to find the word which means opposite in meaning to the word doubtful. Options are unsure, Unlikely, certain, dull. The answer is certain. What is the meaning of the word curtly? So, this question is from the meanings of the lesson The Topper. Options are afraid, rudely, to move with great speed, whispered. The answer is rudely. Question 40. Raju is a brave boy. Find the adjective in the sentence. Options are boy, Raju, brave, is. Answer is brave. Dear children, I hope you must have got some idea regarding your formative assessment 1. I wish you all the best for your formative assessment. Thank you.